What's up guys, Chancellor here and welcome to my second video on RPG Maker VX Ace tutorial on making a simple animation. So we're going to discuss some of the functions in the animation tab that we haven't discussed on my first simple animation tutorial. So let's get on it. Click the database tab, then head to animation tab. So you can see my cross-slash animation here that I've made on my first video. And since I've already discussed about making your new animation and the name, the graphic, positioning, the max number of frames, and the sound effect and flash timing, we're now going to discuss about these things. The change target, paste last, copy frames, clear frames, twinning, cell batch, entire slide, and so not play. So these things, ones here, over here, on the right side. So first, the change target. So if you click change target, you will be able to change your butler graphic. So you can use this to adjust your animation graphic on the enemy. So if your enemy is big, you can adjust it to make the animation go over its head, or just you can basically use the butler graphic size as a reference for your animation. Okay, so I'm going to choose a small one, so here. Okay, so next is paste last. Okay, let's change it like 70. Okay, so for example, you want this animation graphic to use on the succeeding frames. So what we're going to do is going to go to the next frame, then click paste last, and it will place the animation graphic you use over and over. Okay, so next, the copy frames. So for example, you want to copy a animation graphic of your choice, like for example here, the first slash. See? So what you're going to do is click copy frames, then select the starting frame of your animation, so which is here in my example, frame 1 to frame, let's see how many frames, frame 12. So I'm going to put frame 1 to frame 12, and then what frame you want those frames or animation to be put. Okay, so let's say I want it the 52nd frame, so it will copy the frames from the images, the images from frame 1 to 12, and it will paste it in this frame, which is the frame 52. So you can see copies all the animation graphic on each frame. Okay, so here the clear frames, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you click this, all the images, the animation graphics on your frame will be deleted. So if you want to delete multiple images, just click this. Okay, click the clear frames. Next is twinning. I really don't know anything much about this, but okay, for an example, okay, let's go to a blank frame. For example, you put your first image pattern here, then on the second frame you put a different image pattern, okay, and they're not aligned. So let's say skip one image after that. Okay, like that. So if you do that, then click twinning, don't change anything, just click OK. Okay, let's see from the first. Let's do that. So I guess what does it do is it smoothens the succeeding animations for you, the animations you're doing. So you can see in the description that it automatically twins the frame between two frames for smoother animation. So it basically adjusts things for you, but I don't see any difference. So yeah, it's much better to manually adjust your images rather than by relying on this twinning thing. Okay, so next is the cell batch, which I think is the most useful thing here on this selection. So okay, for an example, let's go for an example. So for example, okay, let's copy the frame 1 to frame 12 again, then paste it on 53. Okay, we have now the first slash from 53 to day 2. Oh, wait. Okay, let's say that 53. So you want, if ever you want those images or that animation to flip, or you want to change the angle, just click the cell batch here, choose where is the starting frame for your animation. So in this case it is 53, from 53 to 70 just to be safe. Then don't change this because it is the cell patterns of your images, but you can mess around with it if you have another animation graphic for your animation. Okay, so you're going to flip it. See, all of the images from frame 53 to the succeeding images will be flipped. So on my previous video I said that you need to do manually change the settings of images, but I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry if I said that, but here is the much better way to set those things without consuming more time. Okay, so you can do that also by, you can zoom them also, you can change their position, opacity, angle, blending, etc, etc. Okay, so let's try to zoom them in. Okay, 53 to 70, then click zoom, say 200%. That's it. See, they get bigger as I zoom them in. Okay, so that's the use of this cell batch, which is very useful. Okay, so the entire slide, so what it does is it moves your images, your selected images, let's say from frame 53 again to the last frame, and you want it to move to the, let's say, left, I guess. See, they move from the left. So that's it. You can just move, you can use it to move your images around at the same time, not one by one. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this part 2 of my simple animation tutorial video, and I'm sorry if I get a little mispronounced words again or says something wrong again. Sorry about that. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Double click it, the frame here. where you want your sound effect to start. So it means that, if you choose frame 1, the sound effect will start on frame 1. So I'm going to choose a sound effect for my first frame 1. I'm using the slash. Sorry if it's a bit too loud. I apologize for that. Okay.